Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix cannot delete a file registry key error while deleting key in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the key you are getting this error and select the permissions and select advanced option. Select change in owner and type here everyone. After typing it, click on check names and click on OK. Now you just need to select this option guys, replace owner on subcontainers and objects and replace all child objects permission entires with inheritable permission entires from this object and click on apply and click on yes and now click on OK. Select OK and now you can delete this key without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.